This Beko electric ceramic cooker makes everyday life easier with its impressive oven capacity and easy clean features. With a 69-litre oven capacity, you can enjoy great flexibility when cooking a variety of food for the whole family. With a separate 36-litre grill, you can cook your chips in the oven whilst your bacon crisps in the grill. The removable inner glass door and the inner panels are free from bolts, allowing them to be easily wiped clean. Perfect for anyone with a busy schedule, cleaning can now be a quick and hassle-free part of the day. The steam cleaning feature will soften any dirt or burnt food in the oven. All you need to do is fill the tray with water and let the evaporation soften residue, so you can easily wipe away mess with a damp cloth. Ideal for families both small and large, this remarkable Beko electric ceramic cooker has high-tech features, making your dinner time both enjoyable and stress-free.